Alright, so I'm still trying to diagnose this problem. So as you guys can see, it's probably ticking right now. Alright, so what's going to happen? I'm going to put my little brake slightly, okay? So I still have my foot on the gas, as you guys can see. No more sound. I'm going to accelerate. With my brakes on. Let my brakes off. Soon to go on. Brakes on. Off. On. Off. A little bit on. Off. Okay, so I'm going into a turn right now. My phone is sort of going off like this. Got a shift. One sec, looking. So as you guys can see, it's not happening around here. Okay. RPM's around 2 grand. I'll downshift for you guys. Okay. No ticking yet. We're at about 3 grand. 4 grand. No ticking at all. Okay. Downshift again. Slowly. Okay. Ticking's there again. As you guys can hear. Put the brakes on. No more ticking. I still have my foot on the gas, if you guys can see that. Ticking again. So, brake here. Sorry guys, I'm sort of driving. This is probably dangerous, but I'm trying to diagnose this problem. Scotty Kilmer and a couple other guys thought it was a rod knock. I'm not sure exactly what a rod knock is, but I feel that if I was driving, okay, so I got 4 grand, never this hard on my car, there you go. I'm pretty sure my car probably would have blown up if the engine was bad on it. This person cut me off. So, as you guys can see, so there's a little clicking. In 4th gear right now. Put the brakes on. None at all. No sound whatsoever. Got the brakes on going up a hill. So I have the gas, right? So I'm on the gas. Take it off. Clicking again. Now, a lot of you guys said, yes, it sounds like a rod knock. I understand that. And I'm just sort of worried that it isn't, but if you know what? Okay, let's keep this video going. 1 sec. Okay, I'm gonna pull in over to this little spot right here. Pull over. My struts are bad in my car as well, and I know my exhaust needs to be repaired. So, as you guys see, no sound. I'm gonna pull right over, right by this mailbox thing. Hit my ABS there for a second. Okay, so I'm at a dead stop. Okay, RPMs are down low. Revving it. No ticking. None whatsoever. Look it out. Pop my trunk. As you can see, no ticking right now. I'm not sure if it must be. It sounds like it's in the front end. Okay, so I'm going to put you down for a certain. I can get this up. Alright. So as you guys can see, this is my engine. The little clicking is going on. If you guys hear a little clicking, it's because of this right here. That's a tensioner. It's a second-hand one, and it's a little loose, and it needs to be like that to vibrate, or you know, to work right, I guess. Mine broke before, and I just got a second-hand one from a junkyard or whatever. But as you guys can see here, I'll shut up so you guys can listen to my engine. Alright, nothing. No ticking at all. I know I can't rev it and do this at the same time because I'm by myself. But I hope this, I don't know, I'm going to post this up on Scotty Kilmer as well. And I hope this sort of helps you guys, or sort of helps me figure out if it is a brake problem. Because I would think if it only stops when I have my brakes on, and whenever I put them on slightly, put a little bit of pressure, that it should, it basically should stop the noise right there. But if you guys know more than me, that would be great. I'm going to post this up on Scotty Kilmer's channel again. And yeah, so yeah, I think actually if you guys listen, I'm going to shut up, rev the gas. My exhaust might need fixing as well. So 1 sec. Right, it's pretty cold outside today, but as you guys can see, there's a little bit of like a rattle or noise or whatever. And I know I went in to get my car inspected, and they said I need new front end sway bar bushings, and I need something with the exhaust. I'm not too sure what it was. But anyways, guys, please post below, Scotty, if you're watching this as well, if you could help me out. I know I asked a bunch of questions last time, but this should sort of bring it down to not a rod knock. I feel like that shouldn't be a rod knock the way I was doing it. I revved it up around 4.5 grand in third gear, and there was no noise, but then when I sort of turned around or hit a bump, there's sort of a noise, and I put the brakes on slightly, and it turned off. So if you could help me out with it, that would be awesome, and thank you. Keep making great videos. I love watching them, and yeah, I just couldn't figure this one out. Anyways, guys, thanks. See you guys later.